Hello guys, this is Riaz and welcome back to my channel, that is Automation Pro. In the previous video we saw how to install Playwright, and we also saw this example.spec.ts which is having two test cases. We executed these two test cases with the help of this play button in both headless and headed mode. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch a browser with terminal. So for that I'll create a new test file. I'll name it as test.spec.js, which is a JavaScript file. So here what I'll do today is a simple scenario of login and logout for Orange HRM application using Chromium browser. So for that, first and foremost, I have to import Chromium from Playwright. Yeah. So here I'm going to use describe block. So it got auto generated. Here I can give name like launch browser, and I'm going to use anonymous function over here with lambda expression. And inside this describe, I'm going to write all the test cases like login and logout of Orange HRM. So I'm going to use asynchronous function over here because I'm going to use awaits. Okay, so I have to import test as well. Let me import that. Just from Playwright. Yeah. So coming to inside test block, I will create one browser, const browser equal to new await chromium dot launch. So inside this launch, what I can do, I can make this headless to be false. I'll come out of this. So here what I'll do, I'll create one context equal to await browser dot new context. Yeah, with the help of context I'll create a page, page equal to await context new page. Here it is. Now with the help of this page I can perform all the actions like launching URL, all those things. Await page dot go to. I'm going to hit Orange HRM URL, so which I have already copied here in Notepad. Let me copy and paste it over here. Okay, so after launching this, let me give some wait for timeout, some around like 3 seconds or 3000 milliseconds. And then what I will do, I'll just close the browser, that is wait browser dot close. So let's see what happens. So to execute through command, we should open the terminal. The two ways are: go to this terminal, click on new terminal, which launches the terminal, or the second way is shortcut is Ctrl plus J. Okay, so here two terminals are there. I'll close one. We have one PowerShell. Okay, to execute, uh, as you know, in config file we have all this Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, but we want only Chromium. So I'll comment these lines, not required. And path, if you see, it is taking dot tests. It means it will take all the test files from here, both the files. But I need only one file to one test case to be executed. So I'll give here dot only. It takes only this one test case. And the command to execute this test case is npx playwright test. Hit enter. Browser got launched. It will wait for 3 seconds. Fast. Okay, so let me open the same in the browser one. What we can do is we can do some login logout scenario. So let's infect this element. We can see username. Okay, name equal to username, placeholder, class also we have. Let's take the simple one, name equal to username. So let me take one CSS here. Okay, it is highlighting 1 out of 1. Copy this and go to Visual Studio. After waiting for 3 seconds, what I can do is I can do something like wait page dot. I have to fill that element. So I will fill and give the locator. And what has to be filled? The admin. We know the username is admin. So copy this and paste it over here in double quotes. Similarly, we have to do for password also. Page dot fill password. Let's take the locator. So password is also having name equal to password. So let this as well as type. Let me take this name one, which is easy way. So it is showing 1 out of 1. Copy this, paste it over here, and password will be admin 123. Copy this, go to Visual Studio and paste it over here. Then what we have to do is we have to perform click operation. With page dot click. So let me go to Orange HRM and if we click on this login button, which is a button, this we can see login here. Let me go with text now, and instead of CSS, let me go with uh, XPath. This time that is button, and which is having text. The text is login. Okay, copy this XPath, go to Visual Studio and click on this particular XPath. Okay, so this will enter the username, password. It will click on the login button. So this will be easy. So let me do one thing. Let me copy this and bring down here. Now what we can do is manually, if we see what happens, it will be logged in something like this. So what we will do, we'll click on this drop down and then we'll click on this logout button. So for that, let's inspect this element, drop down. Okay, so it is having xd drop down. Yeah, this class I can use. xd drop down. I can copy this. I will write the CSS, which is a class star equal to means contains this part. So it is highlighting one. Let me copy all this. Go to Visual Studio. Write await page dot. Again, you have to perform click operation here. So click on this field. After clicking on this drop down, you have to click on logout. So inspect that element. It is having text, logout text. So what we can do is we can directly give text if it is having text. Like for example, await page dot click. right. So here what I can do, I can give text equal to this text is logout. Okay, it should work probably. And then I can give some more time, wait like 3 seconds just to see what happens actually. And browser close. Okay, let me execute again. Enter username password, click on login button. Now after 3 seconds it should click on logout. Yes. Now 3 seconds, close the browser. Fast. Okay, to see the report, we can see the command over here only in px playwright show report. As I told you, see if you go into this, you can see all the commands over here. Okay, this is the basic steps. We can control C, we can quit from this. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.